Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the topic the fish market from the lesson the fish tale. Cost of 1 kilogram prawns is rupees 350. Florama sold 10 kilogram prawns today. How much money did she get for that? So in this question, they have given data as Florama sold 10 kilogram prawns at the rate 1 kilogram per 350 rupees. So you have to find how much money did she get for that. That means what is the price of 10 kilogram prawns if 1 kilogram costs rupees 350. Solution. Cost of 1 kilogram prawns is equal to rupees 350. Cost of 10 kilogram prawns is equal to rupees 350 into 10. So you know the easy method for multiplying with 10. You have to add one more zero in unit place. So the answer is rupees 3500. Therefore, Florama got an amount of rupees 3500. So this one you have to do as a classwork with today's date. Now we will go to second question. Cost of 1 kilogram squid is rupees 70. Fazila sold 8 kilogram squid 1D. How much money did she get? Again, Fazila sold 8 kilogram squid and 1 kilogram squid costs rupees 70. Now we have to find the cost of 8 kilogram squid. Solution. Cost of 1 kilogram squid is equal to rupees 70. Cost of 8 kilogram squid is equal to rupees 70 into 8. So here you know 70 is equal to 7 into 10. So 7 8s are 56. That is followed by 1 0 in ones place. That is the easy method of multiplication. So the answer is rupees 560. Therefore, Fazila got an amount of rupees 560. Now we will move to third question. Karuttama sold 8 kilogram of kingfish for rupees 3200. At what price per kilogram did she sell it? So here there is a difference. In the first two questions they were giving the cost of 1 kilogram and from there they have asked you to find the price for 8 kilogram and 10 kilogram. Here they have given the price for 8 kilogram. Now you have to find the price for 1 kilogram. So shall we go for solving the problem? Solution. Weight of kingfish is equal to 8 kilograms. Total amount received is equal to rupees 3200. So here what will be the operation? Plus, minus, multiplication or division. Here you have to divide. So rupees 3200, that is the cost of 8 kilogram fish, divided by 8 will give you the price for 1 kilogram. So rupees 3200 divided by 8. So for the time being we are not considering the 2 zeros in the ones and tens place. Now you consider 32 divided by 8. So shall we recite the table of 8? By getting the multiplication facts we can do the division. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32. So the multiplication fact for the given numbers is 8 fours are 32. So 4, that is followed by 2 zeros, will be the answer. So that rupees 3200 divided by 8 is equal to rupees 400. Therefore, Karuttama sold the kingfish at a rate of rupees 400 per kilogram. Now you have two more homework questions. given in the assignment section. So please do it as homework and do these 3 questions as classwork in your notebook. Thank you, children.